Hi, Mela. Hi, Mela. Hi, Mela, Mela. Hi, Mela, Mela. Hi.
Get this on.
Are you good boy? Are you good girl?
Mela Kuti. You lived it.
Hi.
It's all seem like it to me. But do you want to put this correct? Whoa, so like this.
Tracy, she's talking to herself. Tracy, talk to her. Can you talk to her? Can you talk to Melanie? Let's see if she talks back.
Wait. I want to put this back.
No, don't put that. It's going to hurt her head. Talk to Mela. Mela, eh? Mela, eh? Andi mutte. Mama. Can you say mama? Tracy, Mela. 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 Say mama. Oh, you're in love with your little ducky? Are you in love with your little ducky?
What ducky?
Tracy has a favorite ducky that spins around. Let's see which one's her favorite. That's the horsey.
No.
Yeah, this one's the horsey.
No.
And this one is the rabbit.
Giraffe. Giraffe.
Is it a giraffe? No. This one is the ducky, see?
No, that's a birdie. It has wings.
Yeah, ducks are birds. She loves it. She talks to it all the time.
What is that?
That's a... What do you think that is?
That's a rabbit.
Yes, that's a rabbit.
And that's a giraffe. And that's a bird.
Okay. Look, Melanie's laughing at you. She thinks you're crazy. She thinks you're crazy.
I
Hi, Mela, Mela. Hi, Mela, Mela, bee. Hi, Mela, bee. Oh my God, somebody's excited. Somebody's excited. Somebody's excited. I love you.
Sing bird down. La la.
Wow.
Jesus, I need this.
Tracy, come. Why don't you talk to her? She's going to talk to you.
Stop.
She doesn't talk to me. She only talks to her sister.
No. I need to have your hand.
Melanie. Hi, Mela, Mela. Hi, Mela, Mela. Mela, 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 Mela. Say. Mela.
Get her hand off.
മെല്ല. നല്ല വർത്താനം പറയടി. വർത്താനം പറയാനേ. കള്ളിപ്പാറ്. വർത്താനം പറയാനേ. Whoa, whoa, what is all that? What is that? Say bye-bye, Mela. Say bye-bye. ഉമ്മ അവിടെ കൊടുത്തേ. ഒരു ഉമ്മ കൊടുത്തേ.